Which living bird lays the world's largest egg? Ostrich. How many legs does a butterfly have? 6. The dolphin is mammal. What is a rhino's horn made of? Keratin. Which is the only snake that builds nests? King cobra. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? Giraffe. What animals are warm-blooded? Birds. For how many years have the dinosaurs been extinct? About 65 million years. What color is a giraffe's tongue? Purple. Most highly intelligent mammals are dolphins. The only bird which can fly backward is hummingbird. Number of chambers in reptile's heart. 3. Which of these birds cannot fly? All of the above. Which of the following mammals lay eggs? Platypus. Which of the following has no skeleton at all? Jellyfish. Which animal has the worst memory? Elephant. Pashmina shawl is made from the hair of goat. Name the bird that migrates from the North Pole to the South Pole and back. Arctic tern. Name the only animal that dislikes white color. Tiger. Which of the following animals is respiration done by skin? Frog. A bird which lays only one egg in 2 years is the albatross. Which one of the following snakes is the diet mainly composed of other snakes? King cobra. How long is a giraffe tongue in feet? 1.6. How much water can be used by a camel in drinking in a single time? Up to 100 liter. What is the maximum running land speed of crocodile? 17 km per hour. Which of the following has the largest eyes of all land mammals? Horse. Which one of the following is not a true snake? Glass snake. Kiwi is a native bird of which of the following countries? New Zealand. Which is the longest snake in the world? Reticulated python. How many hearts does an octopus have? 3. How many tentacles does an octopus have? 8. Which animal don't have vocal cords? Giraffe. which is the only bird that can rotate its head to 270 degrees. Owl. Dogs are herbivores, true or false? False. How many years can a cat live up to? 20. The first animal to go into space was dog.